So ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, i-share ko sa inyo on how I make my coffee special. So tara, samahan nyo akong gumawa ng kape using my stovetop espresso coffee pot. Nabili ko to sa Lazada for less than 350 pesos. I'll share the link later sa comments. So first, tatanggalin natin yung bottom part kasama nung nakatakip na lalagyanan ng coffee. And as you can see, yung bottom part nilagyan ko ng tubig. Next is lalagyan natin ng coffee grounds yung pinakatakip. And since wala tayong coffee filter, pwede na yung malinis na tissue. Then takpan yung bottom part ng pinaka main pot and then isa lang na. And since we're making iced coffee, naglagay lang ako ng mainit na tubig and 2 tablespoon ng brown sugar sa ating mason jar habang nakasalang yung ating kape. So at this point, kumukulo na yung mainit na tubig sa bottom part and then dadaan siya sa coffee granules and then lalabas na siya sa pinaka-pot as your espresso coffee. And this is already our stovetop espresso coffee. You can use coffee granules na nabibili sa mga coffee shop, kaping barako, or even instant coffee, pwedeng-pwede. Kapag okay na, patay ng apoy at isalin sa ating mason jar na merong mainit na tubig and brown sugar. Just add ice to make it iced Americano or yung tinatawag nating frappe. Stir it a little at maglagay ng straw and enjoy! So, presenting my very special na stovetop espresso coffee. And that's it. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang shinare ko for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next recipe. Kain po!